uthe iplengoma le owayidlala lethi
Welcome back to Skia TV. Like and subscribe.
Usayikhumbula? Hawu. Yomjito ngiyali ngoma ongazazi ke. Oh, noma ngiqale egcineni phela teacher wayiqede ngoma. Iqale ngaseqaleni. Okay. Eqaleni lithi awuyazi. Yomjito. Oh, ngikhuluma into engekho ngiyahlanya mina.
No, ngiyalo empty ngayo la. Ungafunga ukuthi i-one man show ka Andile Amajoli. Lamjita phela. Ufika biza abantu bese kufika yena. Fana nokuthi ufike akhiphe iflyer ayifake eposini kwakhe. Cause wonke imicimbi yakhe ugcina kuyena nje ofikile. Angazi noma uyakhohle ukuthi uyimemile. Cabanga ukuthi ufika kwa emcimbini wakho uthi uzowelcome abantu bakufaka itag isephaketheni lakho. Vele netag ila akho umuntu ngisho kuseshayo cause akho umuntu omqashile. Wonke umuntu omdingayo kuwe. Audience yakho uhamba nayo la. Akaze ngibone into nje. Umuntu opperfect lona ekhanda akakufuni wena. Because I never feel. Yeah. Because that's the thing. Abantu besifazane angithi they will pray for someone and then bese behluleka ukulinda. And then I show up. I choose mina assuming or thinking that is that person that I'm not the one you prayed for.
Right.
Unfortunately.
You are a placeholder.
Yeah, because I don't know who you prayed for. You've never met him. Now saying, fella, I need to be that person that we both don't know. You've never met that person. I don't know that person. But now, Sotos is stuck with an idea that does not exist. It's not real. Now we are.
What can she do?
Now we are fighting about a person we don't even know.
Because you're not matching the standards.
Yeah. Whose standard? How do you measure it? Have you seen someone? Show me an example and I will Google that person and show you he's just like me.
That's right.
Whoever you're gonna Google.
Yeah.
Is
Jay-Z.
just
Jay-Z.
like me.
Jay-Z,
Yeah.
you are not acting like Jay-Z.
In what sense?
Uyasho nayo ukuthi yabona Jay-Z unjani?
Yeah, ngiyambona uJay-Z unjani. Wena uyambona
uneyinwele. Ufona nawe.
Wena uyambona uJay-Z unjani. So you can never just call Leon. I'm here, you are here. I always say, just out of 10 things that you like, just say at least we are going to 7. If a woman uthi akaspell during aqale ngo-D, hamba. The problem might be bigger than the correct answer. Yeah, when uzothi no Sandra, it's D. Hey baba, thinking inkulu kune-answer correct. Yini enye lo azoza nayo. If umespela uduring aqale ngo-J, wena ufuna ukucorrecta leyo nto. Uyabona thinking esiningi kabi lapho. You can't. Yeah, just hamba baleka.